They claim that Red Bull gives you wings, but does it really?
I think it does.
Red Bull claims that amino acid taurine, vitamin B group, sugar, and caffeine are responsible for giving us a quick burst of energy.
Now let's see how these ingredients work.
Our body runs mainly on glucose, so topping off your tank with the sweet stuff should provide an instant boost. By drinking Red Bull, there will be free glucose in our body. This free glucose enters our cells with the help of insulin and begins cellular respiration. As you can see in the diagram, glucose undergoes the 4 different stages of cellular respiration. In glycolysis, it is converted to pyruvate. In the next stage, which is pyruvate oxidation, pyruvate is converted to acetyl-CoA. Then the Krebs cycle takes place, and finally in ETC, which is the last stage of cellular respiration, ATP is resynthesized. Glucose is usually used as a quick source of energy, so now we have more energy and our body can work faster.
Under normal conditions, protein are first converted into individual amino acids, which taurine is one of them. As you can see in the diagram, in the first stage of protein metabolism, amino group is removed from taurine in the process called deamination. This process converts the amino group of taurine into ammonia. Other chemical reactions convert the remaining portions of taurine into various components of glycolysis or the Krebs cycle. These metabolic intermediates then feed into their respective catabolic pathways, and taurin's energy is transferred to ATP.
Energy drinks such as Red Bull are supposed to give you an extra burst of energy. Sugars and proteins are responsible for that, but the most important responsibility is for caffeine. Caffeine, a white powder and the distant cousin of cocaine, would block the effects of adenosine, which is a brain chemical involved in sleep. After being blocked, it causes the neurons in the brain to fire, thinking that the body is in an emergency. The pituitary gland then would initiate the body's fight or flight response by releasing adrenaline. Adrenaline would make the heartbeat faster and our eyes dilate, and it causes the liver to release more sugar into the bloodstream for energy. And by having more sugar into the bloodstream, we would have more sugar to break down through cellular respiration to produce more ATP at the end.
We think that Red Bull's claim is valid because it gives us a quick burst of energy, and there is nothing wrong with this claim to be on the package.
However, by consuming a lot of it, you might end up in heart attack, anxiety, and insomnia, and you might be addicted to the caffeine in it.
So if you're not a regular coffee or cola drinker, Red Bull could be a trouble for you.
Cheers!